An ancient stone animal pound on a village green. The walls collapsed to knee height. Stones scattered across the green around it. Bramble and saplings filling the interior. The gate hinge pintles rusted stumps in the jamb stones. The whole enclosure open and lost. A worker stepped over the low wall into the bramble, stood in the center of the old pound, and looked back at the scattered stones. Then we started. Bramble and saplings cleared from the interior, the original stone floor appearing beneath. Every scattered stone recovered from the village green, sorted and returned to the wall. The full circuit rebuilt in dry stone simultaneously, two faces with hearting between, through stones binding both faces, wall rising all the way around in time-lapse. Coping stones set along the full rebuilt top, new cast-iron pintles set into the jamb stones, new heavy oak gate made and hung. It swung open, it swung closed, the pound standing complete on the village green. Then a shepherd brought the flock through the gate, and the ancient pound held sheep again.